Looking for great pop-up toasters? Luckily for you, we're here to help. Here are the best offers you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1. Morphy Richards Slice Pop-Up Toaster by Morphy Richards. Number 2. This toaster features 7 shade settings, including Bagel, Defrost, Reheat and Keep Warm by BMS Lifestyle. Number 3. This stylish toaster ensures crisp and instant toasting for the breads and buns by Black Plus Deca. For more great new pop-up toasters, tap the link in the description.